You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that are very often mispronounced, stay tuned. Pronounced in Spanish, Anita, meaning the little Anna, essentially, that's the meaning. In Italian, also Anita, French, Anita. English pronunciation, Anita. It's usually pronounced not Anita or Anite, no, Anita. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Anita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.